In this video, I will show you how to crochet this large flower square. Start with a magic ring by looping the yarn around your fingers 3 times. Go under the first 2, grab the third, pull through. And continue crocheting 3 loops. Yarn over your crochet hook, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And the last one, 3. This counts as the first double crochet. And you will crochet 11 more double crochets. So in total we will have 12 double crochets including this chain. So how to make a double crochet? Yarn over, go inside the ring, pick up the yarn, pull through. 3 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull through the other 2. So we have 2 now and we will have a total of 12. So keep on crocheting until you have 12. When you have 12, pull this to tighten the ring. Finish this round by going under the 3rd loop from the beginning. Pick up the yarn, pull through all loops. And the first round is done. So I will change color. So cut the yarn and change color. So put the yarn like a U shape. Go inside one of the stitches here and pick up the yarn tail. Use the long one to crochet 3 loops. 1 through 3. Put these 2 yarn tails, the white one and the gray one, alongside here so you hide it while crocheting. But okay, let's continue. You will start with yarn over your crochet hook, go inside the same stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through. Exactly like we did when we did the double crochets. But this time you just do yarn over, pull through 2, and you leave it like this. And you will do this one more time. So yarn over, go inside the hole, pick up the yarn, pull through. Pick up the yarn, pull through 2, only 2. So that you have 3 legs here. Pick up the yarn, pull through all of them. And then 1 loop. And continue in the next one by crocheting the same. So yarn over your crochet, go inside the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through. Pick up the yarn, pull through, only 2. Again. Again. So that you have 3 legs. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all of them, 1 loop. Continue doing the same in all of the stitches with a loop in between. When you're at the end, go inside the 3rd loop from the beginning chain, pick up the yarn, pull through all loops. And that is round number 2. So I will use another color for round number 3. So I cut this. And I grab the 3rd one. Put it like a U shape. And this time we will crochet inside these holes. So start in the first hole here. Put it like a U, pick up the yarn in the middle. Start with 3 loops. 1, 2, and 3. Put the short yarn tails alongside here so we hide it while crocheting. So after this first chain, we will crochet 2 double crochets in the same hole. Yarn over, go inside, pick up the yarn. Like we did on round number 1. So in total, you will have 3 double crochets and 2 loops in each and every hole of this round. So 3 double crochets. And 2 loops. Continue until you're back at the start and I will show you how to crochet the last round. When you're back at the start, go under the 3rd loop from the beginning, pick up the yarn, pull through all loops. Cut the yarn. and grab the last color. Put it like a U shape and grab it behind, and 3 loops. 1, 2, and 3. We will create the sides of the square now. So it's a circle right now, but we will transform it into a square. So there's 12 holes divided by 4, that is 3 holes per side. So in the first 2 holes, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets, and then crochet a corner. And you repeat this, hole 1, hole 2, hole 3, for the other 3 sides. So I will show you the first side and then you will continue with the other sides. So start with 3 double crochet, and this chain counts as 1. Go to the next hole, no chain in between. And then we are at the 3rd hole, and we will crochet the corner. The corner is done by first 3 treble crochets, 2 loops, 3 treble crochets in the same hole. So a treble crochet, yarn over again. Go inside, pick up the yarn. Pick up the yarn, pull through 2, pick up the yarn, pull through 2, and pick up the yarn, pull through 2. So crochet 3, then 2 loops, and then 3 more treble in the same hole. This is our first corner. So this is the first side and this is the first corner, and you will do the same here. So the first 2 holes, 3 double crochets, and the 3rd you crochet the corner. I will meet you in the end. When you're done, you can stretch it a bit, so that it looks like a square, and then you go under the 3rd loop from the beginning. Cut. The only thing left is fasten off the yarn tails. So all yarn tails that you have left here, I have 2. You bring them to the back side, you tie them in a knot on the back side and hide them under some yarn tails. Do the same with this. And your square is done.